And we're all matching.
Yes.
It's like we've done this before.
General quarters.
Ramming speed.
Can we ram them in the ass? Just please, Mark, don't ram the destroyers. It's not gonna work. You can ram the submarine if you want.
Awaiting instructions.
Which does actually work rather well. Just stay completely on top of him till he runs out of battery.
3 Pomeron.
Get back. Roger. Requesting support.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, enemy force detected. Acknowledged.
Remember that bad.
You're croaky.
I gave her my aids.
You did. Where's that server I wanted up then, Luke?
You haven't told what fucking map you want, woman.
Secondary aiming at the Iowa.
That's the map I want.
Yeah, but he's 15 kilometers away, mate.
There's the Baltimore, which is 10.
Enemy battleship detected.
I'm radar.
Yeah, that's
I'm not.
both the same idea, same time.
Oh, whoever's in front says it.
Chain of command, Mark. The front ship always fires hydro first. It's okay, I've got mine for us to cover the gap. Come on, Baltimore, come in and challenge us, I dare you.
Ah, yes.
With its no torpedoes. And now we just stop engines and sit here.
It's 10.
We are. Is everyone secondaries on the Jean Bar?
Yeah.
Was.
Mine on the Baltimore for a little bit. I think he's regretting certain decisions. Give me a shout on your hydro, Ben.
36.
Cool.
I've got to back up. I'm getting
Yeah, I'm back.
I'll,
jammed here.
I'll pull forwards a little bit to cover yours.
And I've got the Auckland on one. Yeah, you don't want to go too far ahead. There's a
I'm not.
light cruiser Auckland to our left.
I only gave it a 3 kilometer speed, chugged towards you and then into reverse.
Ah, yeah, I'm gonna die.
Eat more secondaries, cunt. I want this cap. Come on, stop in time ship, please. Oh, I did. I stopped in time. Yes. I'm taking primaries on it. But we might need to back up to cover our team from the Pomeron that's flanking. Back up, Mark.
Are you using AP?
Yeah? Playing against a battleship, mate. Ah, Baltimore's dead. Alright, Mark, we're going to go push into that Pomeron together.
Behind us.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
I suppose we better turn our boats the right way around.
Well, I'm about to be pushing the Pomeron that's on our right, so I am the right way round. I'll look and eat some secondaries for a few minutes. Come on, gears, shift.
Torpedoes to port.
Sonar.
Torpedoes to
I've
port.
already got mine on.
Okay, well I've just been pinged by fucking... submarine.
Fire back at it.
Oh, it's so hard. It's vanished. Second guess.
Torpedoes to port.
Push those two back.
Torpedoes
Now
to
we
port.
need to go deal with
Torpedoes
this
astern.
single lonely Pomeron.
Awaiting instructions.
Come on, I need some spotting. My hydro's out.
Main turret critically damaged.
I need some spotting. Can this guy not see that I'm a little bit busy to be answering his questions? Right, Mark, cut left. I'll cut right and we'll sandwich the Pomeron.
Okay.
There is a destroyer in there.
Yes, there is. There's the bastard. I just got
Fucking hell, team.
That's how it's done.
Fuck off, Iowa.
fuck. Here comes
Yeah, force him to turn. And then he's just at the mercy of my secondaries.
How do you go? Oh yeah, how do you go? Oh, don't you pick up?
104k damage so far, 283 secondary hits. But I've got no more heals left. It's gonna be tight.
So you've essentially now got the same health as a cruiser.
Destroyer. Actually, less health than a submarine. More secondaries though. And Maggie's in secondary range. Get off my cap, cunt.
Is that conspiracy or conspiracy?
Bit of both. Take the Iowas on the nose. Switch turrets. And there's a dirty little fucking submarine out here as well. Get fucked. And you.